Hey, we are going to transplant some tomatoes today. So this year I did it a little different. I went ahead and sowed a whole bunch of seeds in one big container or bigger container. In previous years, I've used like one seed per cup and then just let them grow in those. But I didn't have as much shelf space this year, so I tried something a little different and they are growing really good. So I think it's worked out fine, and now I'm just going to transplant all of them in their each individual cup so they can continue to grow. So, here. Okay, so right here, oops, there we go. They're doing really good. They're growing. They've got new leaves coming in. This one is actually pretty big, but it's definitely time for them to have their own space. So this is a variety called Bonnie Best, and I started these on February 17th. I have already pulled out one out of here, and so I'm going to continue to do that. What I'm going to do is transport these to these, and hopefully they can stay in these until they go out into the garden here in about, I don't know, 4 weeks, I'm hoping. We'll see. The weather looks good, so we've been warming up really nice. We'll just see how it goes. So the first thing I'm going to do is fill up each one of these cups, and I'm going to go ahead and fill up a few of them and get them ready to go. Okay, so I've got a couple cups filled up almost to the top. I went ahead and pressed them down just a little bit. And something I like to do is get the soil moist, just a little bit of water here, before I put them in. That way I don't have to put so much water in after I actually get the seedlings in. So, this is what we're going to do next. Take these guys right here, and I use my little label, and I'll just start to loosen the soil around them a little bit. And here we go. Okay. And then you can kind of use your finger, scoop it out. I'm just scooping it out here. There we go. There he is. Bringing this, and I'll just make enough of a hole in here and drop him in. The really neat thing about tomatoes is you can actually bury them really deep. So I am actually going to push the dirt quite a bit up here. And where you put the dirt, it will actually grow new roots up the stem. So there he is. I buried him pretty deep, but that's fine. That'll just help him be a stronger, healthier plant. So that's that one. And just go ahead and get this one ready. Okay, here, loosen the dirt a little bit. And then, there we go. And there's that one. So these are pretty easy to do. Their root systems are not terribly long at this point. So if you just go slow and be careful, you can easily get them out with enough root that they do just fine. I've transplanted a few days ago, and they're looking great. So again, I'll bury them deeper than just where the root system starts. So there you go. And that will be great. And I'll continue on. I've got let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is a little bit behind the others, but he's kind of a little bit weaker. I don't know. This one a little bit too, but I'll transplant them all and just see like this one is doing. This one is doing really good. That one's super healthy. Oh, something else you want to do, don't forget, is label. So on this one, this is the Bonnie Best. I'm going to put B, maybe, and B. BB. Bonnie Best. I only have 2 kinds of tomatoes right now, but I am hopefully going to get some more. But I'm going to get those as started plants. So I'll just label them as they come in. So that's it. Those are the only 2 I'm going to start from seed this year. Just because, again, I didn't have as much space as I would have liked to have. So I just stuck to 2 varieties, and I planted quite a few. My other one is the Amish paste. And here is one of the Amish paste that I did a few days ago. So he's looking really good. They don't seem to mind being moved at all, as long as you just go slow with them, be a little gentle, get enough roots. One thing that I've really discovered with all kinds of seeds is that they want to grow. So even if you make little mistakes, most of the time they recover fine because they just want to grow. And they'll do that, they grow. So, I mean, sometimes you mess up and you lose some. I've lost some this year. I had some that got stuck in their seed capsules when they sprouted, and I wasn't very patient with them and ended up pulling it off and taking the leaves with them. So they did not come back from that. But for the most part, everything is looking fantastic. A quick little look at the greens there. They're growing like crazy. Some beets over here, some lettuce, and in the back I finally have some violet sparkle peppers. So I'm kind of excited about that. But okay, that's all. This is just a quick little how-to video, and I am going to do a seed variety video next. So, all right, thanks. See you next time.